Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So on this video we're gonna talk about a screen recorder, the simple screen recorder that is FreeCam 8. Alright, this is the simple tutorial. So without delay, let's get started. First we're gonna go the FreeCam 8. So if you don't have FreeCam 8, I will give you the link on the description. You can download from there, or if you want any other screen recorder you can even comment on the comment box. Okay, and so let's get started with the video. We do have a simple interface of the FreeCam 8. This is the latest version. All right, so we're gonna record, and let me customize each as per my need. All right, so I'm gonna record this video. So let me give you all the information about this FreeCam 8, how to install it, that is on the description. Okay, so we are gonna record from here. Okay, it's recording now. I'm just
Welcome to
opening
my
this.
channel.
Okay,
So today
this
we are
video is
going to
running.
talk about the video editing software for the desktop, PC and laptop. So let's get started with the application.
As soon as you are done with the recording screen, just done, finish recording, just click here, it's done, and then the screen recorder will still prepare a video. Okay, screen recorded screen. So now, okay, now after stopping the screen recorder to record, the itself will open a new window, and then there will be some option here: home, help, and new recording. You want to neglect this recording, or you want to record another recording, screen recording. So here's the edit. Okay, well, let's go to the edit. Now you will find a lots of option here on the edit part. Okay, here's the editing. You can delete the certain areas. Okay, certain part, silence the certain area. You can just make it silent the certain area, for example this one. Okay, like let me make this. Okay, now there will be silence on this area. Okay, and now again, if we just move it, we can trim the video. Now look, stream. Now I have just undo it, and then remove the noise. You can even remove the noise by this way. All right, by selecting certain area, and then it will remove unwanted part throughout the video. That is the background noise. Meanwhile, you can adjust the volume. Sometime what happened is some area you could not hear the sound. You can just increase the volume or decrease the volume. And this is fade in and fade out. You can just smooth the increase in the volume of certain selected area. Similarly, fade out, zoom selection, zoom all. So after we've done all these options, we will just save and close, and then we will return to here. In this option we do have two options here to export the video. You can directly export the video in YouTube, or else you can just save this video on the particular folder, or anywhere on a desktop, anywhere. Okay, now look, save as video. So I'm gonna just save this video on desktop. Now exporting, it took a little bit of time on exporting. Okay, done here. Now I'm gonna close this window. Save, already saved. Okay, no need. Let me close, don't save. And then this is the video we record from screen recorder. Okay, the disappointing part about this free Cambridge is the video output will be only in the WMV format. Okay, that is the a little bit disappointing part since it's a good uh, screen recorder. Okay, for the beginner, simple one. So the worst part about this, you cannot use webcam, or the output video will be in WVM only. Okay, this is the video. Now let's check.
For the desktop, PC, and laptop. So let's get started with the application.
So guys, this is all about the free camp edit free tutorial, and in coming days I'll bring a more tutorial about the other screen recorder. So till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Good day, bye bye.